Okay, today I want to try to install Alma Linux 9 on Power, on IBM Power. So this is my first attempt to install. I've never seen Alma Linux 9. So let's see how it works. So, and I have here Power 9 system. And we will do it quite in a manual way, not as we do it usually. Okay, it found SCSI, virtual SCSI CD-ROM, and we can boot from it. Install. It starts. It's already good. Welcome. Here it is, installer. Usual Anaconda screen. Okay, I will use text mode, and language English is good for me, but time zone I live not in America but in Europe, and better to me. So installation source and local media, software selection, install. Don't need anything. Network configuration, yes, it found my network configuration. It's good. So we'll set our very difficult root password. And let's say it should be, yes, completely. So Red Hat installation on it, but remove everything and we are ready to install. So let's begin. It installed all the packages and performing post-installation setup tasks. Okay. The usual installation steps, the same as in Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Okay, it's finished. Press enter to quit. So now it should restart. And if everything went well, I will get my first Alma Linux installation. That's it. It booted. Well, we are finished with the installation. Thank you very much for watching, and if you like it, stay a like. Thank you. Bye bye.